So hey guys, welcome to the Petrolheadonism channel. Slightly different kind of video. I've stolen Scoot's camera. He's inside doing some editing and he's not going to be able to see this until this surprise drops. So I'm on the driveway at the front of the house. He's inside doing some editing. We've been working on the stolen Diablo series, but we've got a bit of a surprise. Last week, 3 days before Petrolheadonism Underground, Matt Armstrong gave me a call and said, Chiro, we're going to do a car giveaway and we want to know from you if you know anybody in the car scene that's been down on their luck, had their car blow up or anything that would be really deserving of the GT86 that me and Freddie are currently finishing the workshop. So I was racking my brains of who is deserving of this giveaway. Amazing opportunity, Rocket Bunny GT86. And I said to Matt, give me 24 hours, let me have a think, sort of thing I kind of sleep on and then think, wow, that's a good idea, that person totally deserves it. Now, I did sleep on it and I know it's close to home, but for me, Scoot puts in the hours, his edits, his work, his relentlessness, and the fact he's just one of the most appreciative young men I know. At 21 years old, like, he can't wait to share his experiences with his friends, his mum and dad. And he's always been really appreciative, whether it's our traveling or whether it's the places we go, the people he meets, and, you know, everything I can do with Petrolheadonism. You know, we've been over to see Chip Foose, Gas Monkey, Ed Bolian. He's told stories on the channel. And I had a chat with Sam Hard, and we both agreed that Josh would be a deserving recipient. I phoned up Matt and said, Matt, look, Josh would be brilliant for this. He loves Japanese cars. He loves Rocket Bunny. He loves anything custom, etc. He works his butt off. He's inherited his grand's £200 Fiesta, and we just feel like to, you know, reward him would be amazing. So I'll put that in there as a nomination and see if that works for you. And there we go. So Matt, Freddie, over to you to finish the car off, and we'll see what happens. But it was pretty amazing when we got up to Matt's and this happened, and one of the most wholesome moments I've ever seen.
Okay, right, finally, after all of that stress getting it ready, and it's not quite ready yet.
Yeah. It looks great. It looks awesome.
It does. And the best thing about it is now we're going to get to give this car to someone that we think is going to really enjoy it, which is amazing.
Yep.
And just by coincidence, that guy's Scoot behind the camera, just there, Scoot doesn't even know this car's yours.
What do you mean?
This GT86 is yours.
We're giving you the car. We know that.
It's not filming. What? Yeah, so we heard you like chap cars. You don't have to film. So we heard you like
I
chap
was more
cars.
blessed I got to film you guys. I got a quick phone pic. I was like,
No, so that's yours.
Yeah.
no, that's not.
That's yours.
I swear that's not.
Yeah, it is.
I come down here to film, and that's it.
That's it. That is your car.
I cannot.
No, take it. We have just been rushing.
Yeah, it was a mad dash to get this thing
There's a
done.
few things that Monty doing, but we know you like a project. We know you're into cars. Hero said you love Japanese cars.
There's a catch.
There's no catch. That car is yours.
There's a 100% catch.
There's no catch. And that is 100% yours, no catch. What? There you go, Scoot.
I suddenly thought, there's no way. I'm not going to get emotional. I do.
Have you just passed your test, or
It's over a year now.
and you've not got a car?
Honestly, when my nan passed away, I took that on board because Grandad didn't want to get rid of it.
Yeah.
And I really wanted to keep up my channel, so I thought I'd put all my money into going abroad, and I didn't spend anything. So I've got a dented, scratched up, £200 worthy Fiesta.
So here we are back at Mallory Performance, and Matt is busy over there working on his Murcielago while we come in to check in on the GT86 Rocket Bunny. Scoot's new car. What a gift from Matt. Absolutely amazing. I've got something here for Scoot, but before we go to that, if you come around here, he's already doing upgrades. Check this out. We've got a big brake kit sent to us by EBC Brakes, and that's going to get fitted, and so that's why we're not driving a car away tonight, because Scoot's getting on the upgrades. But Josh, I want your reaction, so I'm going to hand the mic over to Josh, right?
This is going to be my new number plate. First time seeing it.
We were driving back from an event, and I said to Lewis, check this plate out for me on DVLA, because Lewis has just got a private plate, I've got loads of private plates, and even though, I don't know, it was just one of those intuitive things.
Crazy, like, I know.
Go on DVLA and check out this plate. And he goes, yeah, it's available. And it's 250 quid. So you got home and you did a buy.
I know. Yes. Yes. And there's, oh my God, it's actually kept Scoot as well.
Oh, they've done it wrong. An S missing on the end. It's JS60 OTS.
They actually have.
The flag. The red flag
That
is
looks
cool.
sick for the car.
You'll have to cut that.
Well, here is my new private plate that is actually not legal because they are missing an S. So, yeah, we're going to have to go and order some more.
So, okay, the number plates need to be replaced. Top Gear on that, and they'll be here a couple of days' time. We're going to be picking this up. So, guys, thanks for tuning in. What an amazing gift from Matt to Josh Scoot. And this will be seen at many shows this year. And I'll get chauffeured to our stuff. You're on it. Take care. All right, Matt, this has been absolutely amazing to gift this to Scoot, and obviously it's going to wear his plate. Did you do the honours?
There we go.
Do this straight, right? Hopefully. You said wonky.